Advantages and disadvantages of random access memory. First, advantages of RAM. Number 1, RAM faster than secondary storage. Number 2, RAM can capably read and write any type of data. Number 3, RAM consumes less power compared to hard disk, CD, DVD, floppy disk. Number 4, RAM memory increases your computer speed. Number 5, Central Processing Unit, CPU, reads any data faster because of RAM. Now, disadvantages of random access memory. Number 1, RAM is an expensive memory. It means costly. Number 2, RAM is slower than the CPU cache memory. Number 3, RAM memory has limited space for storing data. Number 4, RAM is volatile memory means stored data in RAM cannot permanent.